Hi everyone, my name's Natalie from Wiplabs.com, the go-to store for crowdfunded, innovative tech products. If you think your product belongs in our store, send us an email, info@wiplabs.com. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Twist Duo. Well, we're going to do the Twist Duo Plus, but here's the two options that you have, the Twist Duo or the Twist Duo Plus. They are world adapters that can go from any country back and forth and offers you two extra USB plugs on the side. And this one in particular is special because it's made for the MacBook charger. Let's take a look. So, just open this. Pull this out. See what all this is. Right. There it is. Comes with a little information sheet, an extra fuse, and a little sheet that tells you which country needs which plug. It's very useful. So this is the Twist Duo Plus. There is a button on this side that you push on and then you twist depending on what country you need. So there's Europe, for example, twist back, there's the UK, and you just hold it and twist it around based on what you need. Then it has two USB ports, one here, and most importantly, you remove this part and you can put in the Mac adapter directly into that unit. So that's cool because that means you need one adapter when you're in one country and you're traveling, and you can literally plug in 4 different devices and charge 4 different devices at the same time. Your MacBook, your camera, I don't know, your phone and your iPad, all different, 4 different things all at the same time with just one plug. So I personally use this myself when I'm traveling. I find it very useful, and yeah, I think it's a great product. What do you guys think? If you guys were to get this, would you get this one? Or would you get the Twist Duo, or would you get the Twist Duo Plus? Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your comments in the comment section below. My name's Natalie, and I hope to see you on Wiplabs.com soon.